Hello sir, my name is Mirza Dwiandika and my student ID is 2024-0803-054. Today, I want to make a video about addiction, especially game addiction. In my opinion, Valorant is the most addictive online game for teenagers today. The first reason is that Valorant was a lot of time. Many players only want to play one match, but they continue playing for many hours without realizing it. I believe that this habit can reduce the productivity and make students ignore their responsibility. The second reason is that Valorant can affect mental health negatively. Some players become stressed, angry, or frustrated when they lose match. If teenagers play too much, they might become emotionally tired and lose focus on important things in real life. The third reason is that Valorant reduces face-to-face interaction with family and friends. Many teenagers prefer spending time playing games instead of talking directly with people around them. This means that their social skills can become weaker over time. In conclusion, I believe that Valorant is very addictive because it wastes time, affects mental health, and reduces real life communication.